Hello everyone, welcome back to another challenge of the page Adventjs.dev. In this case, we are in the challenge number 11. And in this case, this is a easy level challenge. So I hope it doesn't take us long time to solve it. Okay. So, well, let's read through the instructions. So basically, it says the Grinch has hacked Santa Claus's workshop systems and has encoded the names of all the important files. Now, the elves can find the original files and they need your help to decipher the names. Each file follows this format. First of all, it starts with a number that can contain any number of digits, then has an underscore, and then the actual name or the actual file name uh, is next basically. So we have file name and extension, and finally this encode name ends with an extra extension at the end that in this case we don't need it. Okay, so we need to keep in mind that the file names might contain letters. It could be lower or upper case, in lower and upper case. It could have numbers, others, underscores, and hyphens. Okay, so our task is to implement a function that receives a string with the name of an encoded file and returns only the important part, the file name and its extension. So as you can see here, we have a couple of examples. Basically, the main goal is to get rid of this part of the string and get rid of this part of the string. So basically, we need to take everything that goes next the numbers and the underscore. So in this case, it should be something like this. So that's why we have this value. In this case, we need to return this part of the string. And in this example, we need to return this part. So for that, I think that the simplest way to achieve this is to use a regist. Regist, I mean. So let's call it as a file regex. And this gonna be challenging because even though I have several years of experience, uh, regular patterns or the regex are the hardest things for me to master in programming. So uh, being said that, I will use a page that will help me out. So that page is regex 101. Okay. So let's see. So basically we need to, well, let's try to copy all the possible examples over here and then over here. Let's remove this character. I don't know the name of that, but you know what it is. And this one. Okay. So first of all, we need to exclude this part of the code, right? So let's try to match at least all the letters like this. So the only thing I know about regex or regular expressions are if we want to match any kind of letters. In this case, in lowercase, we can write 8 hyphen z, and the same thing but with uppercase to do the same with uppercase letters. Okay, so in this case it is working as expected. It is matching all the letters whether they are in lower or uppercase. So now we need to match the period, the next period of that. Okay. And then we need to match, I think, any kind of letter. It could be, well, I think they should be in lowercase, right? Okay, so I need to tell this regular expression how long this part of the string is. So let me see if I can find, yeah, something helpful. Okay, maybe I can use this expression. So let's use it. So I want to match everything from 0 until or up to 3. So let's see if that works. Okay, correct. Awesome. And now, as you can see, we are not matching this part of the file name. So we need it. So basically, we need to exclude everything that start by numbers and followed by an underscore, and everything that goes next to it, it will be our file name. Okay, so we need to try to match everything at the end it's set by the numbers. Okay, so let me see if I can find something that help us to exclude certain parameters. So let me see. Try to look for exclude. I don't know. Ignore maybe. I think we could use this as character to exclude something, but I don't know how to look for it. Let me see if I can able to see it. Um, okay, well, let's see all the tokens. Okay. Maybe no. I think they should be okay. This should be this one. Should be this one. I mean. Okay. Okay. Let's exclude them. Following this example, let's exclude the numbers. In order to match all the numbers, should be okay. Any digit. We need to match any digit. Okay, and then I think we can use this or maybe I mean let me see literal. Okay, makes any character literal. Okay, so let's use then this slash inverse slash and then let's try to match the underscore. Okay. Now it should include, I mean, it should include any hyphen, if I'm not mistaken. Awesome. But it should also match an underscore. But let's use a plus over here. Okay. Well, we are almost done, but we need to get rid of the first underscore followed by the number. How can we do that? Maybe with the or operator. Okay, awesome. So I think we are done. So let's try this regular expression here. So this gonna be our regular expression. Let's activate the ECMAScript over here where it is not working now. Maybe it's something like this. Okay, let's copy. Okay, now that we have that, we need to get the file name from encoded file name. Let's see, encoded file name. And then the file name will be equal to encoded file name match the file regex. And hopefully it will work. So let's see. Okay, do not change. Okay, so we cannot do that. So let's leave it as it was. And let's say decoded file name. And let's see now. Encoded file name is not defined. Okay, because now it is called file name. Awesome. Okay, we have well, it is not working because we have a secret at well, a test which is secret and it is not working. Maybe because the extension is longer than 3 digits over here. So let's use this. Let's remove this and exclude. Well, I think this should work. Let's see. um, let's see now. Awesome, awesome. So we did it. Yeah, basically, maybe the hidden test was trying to match something like, I don't know, domain, something like this. It not necessarily need to have up to 3 letters to be an extension. So I guess that was the error that we had. Okay, so well, basically we have done it. Yes, as it said, it was a easy level challenge. So we can come. Uh, we can say that that is true, basically. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching me, and see you in the next challenge.